Have you ever wondered if you could create your very own animated stories? With all the characters, the scenes, the voiceovers, the whole shebang? Well, thanks to some pretty incredible AI tools that are super easy to get your hands on, you absolutely can. And today, we're going to show you exactly how. I mean, think about it. We all grew up with these timeless moral stories, right? Like The Lion and the Mouse. These tales are such a huge part of our culture, teaching us really valuable lessons through simple, unforgettable characters. But what if you could do more than just read them? What if you could take an idea, a moral, a character, just from your imagination and turn it into a real, fully animated cartoon for everyone to see? Well, that's exactly what we're about to do. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, from a simple idea to a finished cartoon story. And the best part? We're using a complete workflow of free AI tools. Okay, so every great story starts with a blueprint, right? The script. For this, our very first stop is ChatGPT. You should really think of ChatGPT as your creative co-writer. You just give it an idea, and it can flesh out an entire story, define your characters, and break the whole thing down into manageable scenes. And you don't need to be a professional writer, not at all. A simple prompt just like this one is all it takes. See how you're telling the AI the tone, the format, and that crucial scene-by-scene breakdown, and you even give it a classic example to guide it. From there, it just handles all the creative heavy lifting for you. A script is great, but a cartoon needs visuals. So our next step is to translate the words of our story into instructions for an AI image generator. And guess what? We don't even have to leave ChatGPT to do it. Now, this is a really key part of the workflow. We ask this same AI to create detailed prompts for each scene it just wrote for us. This basically acts as a magic key, connecting our script directly to our visuals and making sure everything stays consistent. It's brilliant. So now that we have a whole list of detailed image prompts, we're ready for the most visual part of the process, creating the actual artwork for our cartoon. There are several fantastic and free AI image tools out there. You've got Canva AI, Meta AI, Google's AI Studio. They all work on the same basic principle. You give them a text prompt, the ones we just generated, and they create a unique image based on it. So look, here we're taking the exact prompt that ChatGPT generated for scene 1 of a story. Notice how specific it is. It describes the location, the architecture, the lighting, even the style. The more detail you give the AI, the closer you're going to get to the image that's in your head. And here's the magic. You feed that prompt into a tool like Canva or Meta AI, and bam, instantly, you get your scene. You can even see how each tool adds its own little artistic flair, which gives you options to find the perfect look for your story. We have our script, we have our beautiful scenes, but to truly bring our story to life, it needs a voice. And for professional-sounding Hindi narration, we're going to turn to a tool called ElevenLabs. But here's a little pro tip for getting a really natural, human-like voiceover. Before you go to ElevenLabs, take your Hindi script back to ChatGPT. Ask it to add proper punctuation, commas, full stops. This one small step makes a huge difference in making the AI voice's delivery more realistic and way less robotic. And ElevenLabs has this incredible library of voices. For Hindi stories, characters like Anand the storyteller or Raju with his joyful accent are just fantastic options. You can really pick the perfect voice to match the mood and emotion of your story. All right, we have our script, our images, and our voiceover. It is time for the final step, adding motion and putting everything together into a finished video. And you guessed it, free tools are available for this final stage too. Meta AI actually has a feature that can add simple, subtle motion to your static images, which makes them feel so much more alive. Then for editing, a powerful and really user-friendly app like CapCut is perfect for stitching it all together, your clips, the voiceover, and any background music you want. So let's just quickly recap the entire process. It's really just 4 simple steps. First, we use ChatGPT for our story and all our visual prompts. Second, we use an AI image generator for our scenes. Third, we get a high-quality voiceover from ElevenLabs. And fourth, we animate and edit it all in CapCut. Simple as that. And there you have it. You've just seen the entire process, from a simple little idea to a complete animated story. What this workflow really does is make storytelling more accessible than it has ever been before. The most important thing to remember here is that this entire toolkit is at your fingertips, right now for free. You have everything you need to start creating today. The technology is here, and the barrier to entry has officially been kicked down. This whole process empowers anyone, anywhere, to become a storyteller and share their voice with the world. So really, the only question left to ask is, what story will you bring to life first?